Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce a 1,030 square foot detached house in Fairview Park. The entire home is decorated in a light automotive industrial style. This design combines elements of automobiles with industrial details, creating a unique and stylish atmosphere. With a renovation costing over $1 million, aren't you curious to see just how luxurious it is? Let's go take a look right now. If you encounter any of these renovation problems, don't worry, just visit the Dr. House website to check out the renovation matching details. First, let's take a look at the living room design. As soon as you enter, you'll see a Mirandi gray shoe cabinet. Opposite it, a floor-to-ceiling gray storage cabinet has been designed, providing more display areas and storage space. The TV cabinet in the living room features simple lines, with the central open section mainly in gray. The back panel uses Mirandi gray. A touch of wooden slat design has been added at the bottom. Next to it, there is a black glass display cabinet, which adds a modern and stylish touch. The flooring uses a gray marble finish. The beige sofa balances the entire space while also creating a sense of elegance. At this spot, gray frame frosted glass and rose gold strips are used instead of a solid wall, creating a sense of openness in the living room and presenting a noble and elegant atmosphere. Next, we come to the master bedroom. The master bedroom features even more gold elements, with the headboard adorned in luxurious blue and gold stripes. On the side, a rectangular mirror is paired with blue bedside tables on both sides, each featuring 2 drawers and a marble top, which is quite unique. The headboard also features pendant lights in a floral velvet design, adding a touch of romance to the atmosphere. The black translucent glass wardrobe, accented with gold frames, is luxurious without being gaudy, and exudes a strong sense of style. Even the patterns on the doors incorporate gold elements. Finally, the designer cleverly used a tall gold wardrobe to separate the workspace from the bedroom area. For the master bathroom, a more rugged grey meteorite patterned material was chosen. A bathtub and a shower area were also created in the same style. The gold showerhead and faucet add a touch of elegance and luxury. A gold sliding door was used to separate the toilet, achieving a wet-dry separation. The design of the mirrored cabinet is also relatively simple, crafted with black and gold elements. Another room features a textured deep blue paired with striped brown panels that have a wood-like texture, exuding both elegance and a sense of luxury. The headboard uses a grayish blue cushion, along with 2 carefully selected bedside lamps that emit a warm yellow light. There are also 2 mirrors on the side as part of the design, showing great attention to detail. On the other side is a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe with a black translucent glass design. A special feature is the use of gold accents paired with transparent glass. It's simple and practical and matches the entire space perfectly. The door to the bathroom in the bedroom uses frosted glass with a black frame. Paired with black marble walls, it creates a strong sense of atmosphere. The wash basin is made of white marble, complemented by a black rectangular faucet. Wow, look at how the water flows out like a waterfall, isn't that special? The bathtub is custom made in a square shape, and unlike ordinary bathtubs, it uses grey marble. On the other side, there's a glass sliding door for separation, achieving a wet and dry zone division. If we climb up this staircase, you'll find a relatively rare small loft, simply finished with stone patterned flooring and fitted with tube lighting. It can be used to store miscellaneous items or to create a unique little corner. The small room is designed with a black floor-to-ceiling wardrobe on the left. The wardrobe extends out to form a desk, allowing you to sit comfortably at the head of the bed to write or work. There's a grey single bed with a rectangular grey cushion at the headboard. The light grey walls create a subtle industrial vibe. This is the minimalist industrial-style interior design I've brought to you. Minimalism and industrial style in interior design focus on simplicity, refinement, and a modern feel, using clean lines and neutral tones to create a contemporary and luxurious atmosphere. If you like this style, please leave a comment below to let me know. See you next time. Bye-bye.
EcHouse will match you with 3 renovation or design companies that suit your budget and design style. Our matching specialists will help you analyze the quotations, and after you've chosen a company, our specialists will also accompany you to witness the contract signing, making sure you understand and agree to the contract terms before signing. If you have any renovation-related questions during the project, you can always ask our matching specialists. This way, you can enjoy peace of mind throughout your renovation and design process.
I want to install the length, but how do I actually put this on?
Hey, why isn't this a Hong Kong plug? How am I supposed to use it? Oh no, it's all jammed up. This is bad.
Wow, the silicone sealant around the sink is all moldy. What should I do?